AMP-SoCal is a project of the USC Price Center for Economic Development. We're a nonprofit entity that's associated with the Public Policy School at the university, and we provide technical assistance to economically distressed and underserved communities. What we mainly do is a lot of planning and economic development work. This entire entity was created to support the aerospace and defense industry.
I've been working in government for almost 10 years already. I worked in the Ministry of Economy for the federal government, after that the state government, and right now in the city government. Tijuana, the door to America, right? Closest city to Asia and the biggest ports. Our key industrial sectors are, as you see, aerospace, automotive, medical, and electronics. Our space sector has more than 50 years working in Tijuana. It's the largest concentration of aerospace companies in Mexico. So this is a big opportunity for all the people that work in the aerospace sector and are looking to sell south of the border. But we need to work together, all the industry in the both sides of the border, to deliver these supplies. More than 50 companies are established here in Tijuana. Tijuana cluster, together with San Diego and the US, integrate the most sophisticated and diverse binational device region in North America. This is what we can do when we work together, United States and Mexico.
California sits right on the California-Baja border, and that the Baja industrial sector represents some 500 multinationals, of which I understand about 60% of them are US-based. Don't underestimate the Made in USA label. It's well recognized throughout the world. 95% of the world's consumers lie outside of the US. We make up only 5% of the world's market, and we sit near a major global market. The key here is if you have unique products, if you have extra production capacity, if you're interested in expanding, you should be looking at exporting as a way to grow your business. All these companies they've all expressed interest in having supplier needs. The comment is they would like to work with California manufacturers, but sometimes we're not easy to connect. So if we can help you to make those connections, there is opportunity. I would encourage you, if you're going to pursue this route, you want to stay committed to the market. The goal is to position California and the Baja industrial sector as one mega region, and then globalize that, which provides opportunity for all of us.